Let me show you how we can copy and paste on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So if you want to copy something, you have two options. You can either double tap on the text in order to find the copy or cut option, like this, or you can press and hold your finger on the selected phrase. Of course, before you copy, you can also use these icons that we have on the left and right side, these blue ones, in order to extend to selected space and extend the selected text actually, and then we can copy the whole text if you want to. Of course, we should also be able to find other options such as select all, so it's much easier if you prefer it that way. Now once you copy the text, you should be able to find the clipboard over here in the middle of the keyboard, so you can immediately tap over here in order to paste the text, but also there is a chance that you won't see the clipboard. So in order to find the copied text, you can tap on the clipboard icon, which is over here. There we go, and you should be able to find these different texts that you have copied on your tablet. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.